Hey guys, welcome to Quantum Forte. I'm Shurav, and in this video, I'm going to make a live action ethical hacking video on the CTF Octo on a Mr. Robot machine. So, in this video, I'm not going to explain everything what I'm doing inside the terminal and other illusions whatever I'm going to make in this video. I'm not going to explain anything because it's just a challenge, so I need to uh, stop the stop or finish the video as short as I can, because long videos are not gonna great to viewers. So without talking too much, let's get started. So at first I'm going to open up with my full screen mode, I think, so it may give us uh, okay, so we can use this kind of view as well. It won't give us any problem. So uh, let's open up our terminal, and I'm going to make a simple nmap scan. So what can use ping 2.68.0.024. So let's see what are here. So we got some devices. So this is the browser gateway, and this is the universal nation. So I think this one is the address. So let's open up the browser and check it out. I think yes, this is the target. This is the target machine. Whatever we are going to uh, perform is against this machine. So let's see some sources. This is what we got in the space sources, and some CSS and the JavaScripts are inside it, nothing else. This is just a JavaScript, I think. Yeah, it's only a JavaScript and nothing else. So let's get the quick scan, whatever we can find out inside it. Nmap SA so SP ST4 and 3.68.0.105. So we can simply get something from here, and in the meantime we can analyze on it. Okay, we got something here which is filtered SSAs, and okay, we didn't get anything from here. I don't think so these are vulnerable, because the services are and versions are pretty, so I don't think so it's uh, vulnerable, so we can escape it. But yes, we can make a full scan of this machine because it's web server based, so we can use scan. So we can get help from here. This is in a scan. So I'm going to copy this and scan -eu and the URL and QWEDS. So let it finish, and inside it we can see what's going on here.
Of the 1% owned by FedEx. We are society. To which you may take them from it.
I didn't find out anything special in it, so sorry. Yeah, I really didn't find out anything into it. It's just a waste of time. I guess nothing else. Okay. So let's see if we got anything special into it. not. We got some images, right? Copy this section. I think. Can I? Nope. To copy it. I don't know why the direct open browser is not opening here, so that's what we got here. And same as block, okay? It's image. And let's say something here. If we got anything. Hey, wait, I think it's a WordPress, right? Users block. So let's see. It's a WordPress, definitely. It's a WordPress. And to be just sure, we can use, it seems like WordPress, so we can, for make sure we can use something like WP login. And yeah, as I expected, it's the WordPress CMS based website built onto it on this machine. So I think this thing is press. So let's see whatever we can use. Some default things. No, not right. So as you can see, it's a Mr. Robot, right? Mr. Robot casts. Okay, I'm a big fan of Mr. Robot series, so got a man. This is his Mr. Robot. Okay. Because somehow the languages are not coming to me and there's some errors inside it, so the language is not supported in my end, and so I need to depend on this scan, let it be fulfilled, then we can make a look on it. So yeah, that's it. So see if we got anything else or not, right? Is there on admin and password? Definitely not. So they're not working. So what we can do is there's nothing, almost nothing. Yeah, so you can also identify that it's WordPress. So yep, it's a WordPress, and let's see what we can get from here. So license text, index HTML and XP, which is the these are the home pages. Okay, so the license text might be something interesting. Yeah, we got a robot text as well. So let's see what we can find out inside the robot text, because the robot text should be give us something, because usually in the robot text we can find out a lot of information as usual. We also get something here, and we also get the first key out of 3 keys. So, and there is a society.dic, which is a dictionary file, I believe. So I don't think I need anything here. So as we got a first on, I'm going to clean it, and I'm going to go for a desktop. Oh, sorry, my bad. Desktop, and let's make a folder called Mr. Robot again. So Mr. Robot. Okay. Oops, my bad. Robot and some key, and I'm going to use a wget command to grab this thing. Okay, so I'm going to use this here and the app-society.dict t.dict. Make sure that the pronunciation is okay. So let's see, we got a dictionary file and let's see, cat. So it's a huge list. I think it's a huge list. Okay, so it's a huge use. So I'm going to use another thing is called key. So we need a key one of 3 dot text, I believe, yeah, text. So it got it. So let's see, cat key on of 3 dot text. So it got a file there. Here you go. So I'm going to, oops, sorry. I'm going to copy this section and I'm going to make another thing called nano keys dot text. Whatever we are going to grab, the important flags will keep inside this keys dot text file. Okay, so as I call the first key, so I'm going to make a name as first key and I'm going to paste it here. Oops, it's not supporting here, so I'm going to key and I'm going to save it like this, and I'm going to use the leaf pad and keys dot text to edit it. Okay, so I think it should work now because yeah, I got it. So this is our first key. I'm gonna delete it. Sorry, I'm gonna cut it now and close it. Close the windows now. Okay, so let's go for the second round. So I don't think so. There is anything else. Let's see if we got anything. The paste source. Okay, there's nothing. Almost nothing. So as we got the uh, the uh, admin login dashboard, so we should go for focus on the access to the website. Okay, so WordPress access. So we got a dictionary file and our first key. So let's get something like what it's a bit long. Okay, so it's a bit long, so we can short it like cat f society dot dict with called what this was short, sorry, my bad, short and unique unique, and the output file, whatever I'm going to name is word list dot text. So it will short the text and upper and down, and it will make it a bit smaller. So we can, it's a bit a customized version of it. So let's see the size comparison between these two. So I'm going to open up the first on the properties that we got from the server. It is 6.9 megabytes, which is a huge number. And the second one is only 94.5 KB. So this is shorted. Okay, so that's what we got right now in our drivers. Let's see if it's recording or not. Yeah, it's recording. So let's clear it and let's find out some login here. Okay, what we can use, valid username. So I'm going to use something called if and else command. So if you're familiar with programming on the PSP, so you might be familiar with the if and else. So here you can see if the username is exist into the database, then it will match the username to the password. If that username is not existing inside the database, so it's not gonna um, uh, get to the second step to make a match with the password to the existing uh, username. So this is what we are going to take the advantage. We need to get the username, then we will find out the password. So it's important to make the accurate username. Okay, so we'll use a dummy password for getting a username. Okay, so here you can see what we will use inside it. This error. Okay, this error message will help us to identify the valid one. So what we can use the perf suite. You can also use the a jab tool, but perf suite is my favorite one. I always recommend you to everyone to use the perf suite. As I'm using running on a community edition, it will bit slow down, but it will work. Okay, and pretty much accurate as well. Uh, I think. So let's see what we can use. So I'm going to use start the boot and temporary project. Okay. So wait until it open up, and we need to configure our browser as well. So I'm going to configure it. Okay, we got some problems maybe, right? I don't know. Uh, no, there's nothing problem. So I'm going to open up my preferences, and at least I need the network settings, and inside the network settings you need to use the manual proxy configuration and make sure this HTTP proxy is set on the localhost, the local system. So this is on to 127.0.0 on, and the port on 880, whatever you want. You can use also the 4444, and make sure that tick on this checkbox. And after making this configuration, hit on the OK button. So now let's see what we can get here. So here is my intruder proxy. Okay, make sure this proxy interceptor is on. This is important in this case. I'm going to make a to get the all fields. I'm going to use admin onto 3 and the password onto 3 for dummy purpose. Okay, so just get the fields of it. I'm not. Here we go. We got all the informations here, which is what we can see here. This is a post request. So I'm gonna cancel it, and I'm going to set it at no proxy as it was before the browser configuration. Otherwise, it may give us some errors. So now we got all the information about it. So now what we have to do, we have to make a brute force on the to get the username, valid username. So we'll use Hydra at that case. So why I'm using Hydra instead of using Medusa or other things. So Hydra, I think Hydra is one of the most well-known and famous online tracker out there right now. So nothing is as good as Hydra at the case of cracking online passwords. So passwords and usernames. So, but at most of the case, we can also use WP scan, but WP scan only uses the both have to be correct, otherwise it won't give you any results. So in that case, Hydra is great in my opinion. So I'm going to use Hydra, and I'm going to use Hydra H for a list of uh, syntax to use. If you don't know what I'm using here, Hydra, so we will make another video on it. So as it's a CTF challenge, so I'm not going to explain everything. I'm going to explain a little bit at the time of executing the codes or the lines. Okay, so I'm going to use Hydra and capital L for the list. I'm going to use appsociety.dict and capital P for the password, which is dummy, So I'm going to use my name as a fake password, and I'm going to use a purpose mode and the IP address 05 and post form. Then we need the URL next to it. So I'm going to copy it, paste it here, and we need the fields. Okay, so we need the fields for making it good. So I don't need this again anything right now here. So I'm going to, oh sorry, I'm going to paste it here. Doesn't it? Sure. I didn't talk. So what I need to do is for better communication, I need to submit it again. So what I need is to preferences and set it up again as it was configured for the purpose it uses. So I think it will take a bit of time, which I don't want to. So start the burp. Sorry. So let's see what we can get from here, and let's wait until it open up its interface. I don't know why, but it's taking a bit of extra time than usual. So yeah, I got it. So you make sure that it's okay. So I'm going to make it login, and here we go. So I think, yeah, I was okay. So sorry, I'm okay with this information, so I'm not going to cut it. Yeah, so we got it. Now I think I can cut it here. To the proxy, and what we can use is basically user, and the password is going to be password at that field, and that should be same as it was, and we don't need it again, so delete it, and we need this error here. Okay, so we need this error for find out the error message. So let's see what we can get here. Okay. We got it. We got it. The HTTP post form, which is Elliot. Okay, and the password is a dummy. So the Elliot is the username, which we are sure. So Elliot is the name of the Mr. Robot. Robot's main hacker's name inside the casting. So you can use Elliot. So here you can see that if the username is invalid, it show us a message called invalid username. And if the Elliot is accurate and exists into the databases of username, so it will give us the username Elliot is similarly not the password is not incorrect of using this name. So might be, yeah. So here you go. So Elliot is existing here inside the database, so we can make sure that Elliot is the accurate username. So now we need to find out the password. So let's open up our terminal again. So we got it, and what we can use is basically now WPF scan. So let's see what we can find out here. WP scan. Okay. Oops, sorry. Uh, help. So WP scan, I think is URL. It's been a long time. Yeah, URL. And what we need the link, the brute forcing area, and then I need the username. As I know the username, so we can use capital U for it. And the username is, I do not need to make any mistake, so I'm going to copy and paste it here, and I need a list of passwords to get. So that's nice. Passwords. Okay, so passwords. So what we can use the password is we can use the word list dot text right here. So I'm going to use the password word list dot text, and yeah, that's what we need. So let's see what we can get here. So version, okay. Yep. So there is a message, short message called up the active Windows, which is from background of my Windows machine. So I think I need to activate my Windows. It's gonna expire very soon. So whatever, we can ignore it right now. It's not a problem right here. So fingerprinting versions. So detected passive mode. So yeah, we just started for the password tag, which is here. So let's see what we can get here. Okay. Give it a time, it should talk. So it's a long password list, but I don't know why it's taking a lot of time just for this type this number of list. I really don't know why it's not going to make a really faster one. If so, it should have the password inside the list, because uh, the list we got from it is from, okay, I think I made a mistake by clicking a key on it, but I don't think so it's going to affect anything inside it, because yeah, it's working again. So let's see what we can get from here. The Elliot and the password to match with it. So let's wait a moment to make it complete. So it will take a pretty big time. So it's only 15.70 or almost 60%. So it's taking a bit time. So there is nothing we can do except waiting for the finish of this brute forcing. I cannot stop the video. Um, So let's see if we got anything here. The page info. So don't need. So let's see. Password VWD. No. I'll redirect it to. Didn't find out anything. So we must need to wait for the complete until it complete the brute force. Okay. So it's taking a lot of time. I don't know why, but let's see, it's 29%. Shoe dog. So I'm waiting for it. I think the password. Now I'm getting a problem here because it's a huge list gain even after making it short. But I don't think so because the WPS can shoot arc faster than any other. So we use Hydra as well. But WP scan is, you know what, the WP scan is best for the this logging tracker, especially for the web presses. So I think it should work. So there is nothing we can do expect until the brute force is complete, because the password can be exist anywhere inside this number of the list. Okay, so we cannot use anything. So it's all up to this system. So I don't know. It's getting slower. I don't know why, but um, I think there's some misconfiguration in my PC. That's why it's taking a lot of time to brute forcing it, because it's not a huge list, but the way it's brute forcing, I don't think so. It's gonna work so well for making it. So let's see what we can get. So let's check it out if we get anything wrong or not. Okay, yeah, the word list dot text. Everything is fine. Okay, we didn't use the purpose mode, right? Think we should have used to make a purpose mode. And yeah, we got it. So we got it. So here's the password of the Iliad username. So I can copy this section and simply paste of it here. So now we're inside. Voila, we are inside the dashboard, but Let's see what themes we are getting into it. So we don't need it anymore right now. It's using a 2050. The plugins and yeah, there's nothing we can use. So now we need, I don't think so we can find out anything inside this. We just get the access of it. But we can make this is only the WordPress dashboard, not the server. So we need to get access of the server. So to do that, we need to make a shell. We need to get the shell access of it, and so we can use it by simply using something called like cd. We can use it simply using desktop text. I'm sorry, my bad. My new keyboard is giving me a lot of trouble. Mr. Robot, and I'm going to use up MS. So I need my configuration. So I'm config, and here is my local IP. So MSF phenom p php return reverse TCP. So let's take it. MSF phenom p php meter return reverse TCP, and the L host. I'm gonna set it for my listening host. So I'm going to use this, and the L port is going to be 4444, and I need the output of it. So can we use output of it as shell.php. So let's make it here. So wait until it's done. Sorry for the background noises. Let me adjust my computer. More comfortable to me. So it's taking a bit of time. In the meantime, we can analyze. Can we have a file manager here? Yeah, okay. Okay, let's. I want to see something that I'm gonna MSF phenom. Okay, it arcs, so I can simply collapse it, and oops, not like that. Okay, forget about it. We have another thing to use, like let's use service PostgreSQL start. So I'm on my beta, and it's making a bit of noise, moving on it. So I'm gonna use the MSF console to either listening port on it, and what we can use is inside it here. I'm going to use the shell, and I'm going to copy all this code, and I'm going to go for the editor, theme editor, and like what I can use is that if anyone going to enter any searching for invalid things inside this server, so he will get to redirected to the 404 template, and we are going to add this thing, the code, reverse shell code, PHP code inside this 404 template. So if anyone gonna hit a wrong URL, so the code will be executed This is pretty much what uh, we were trying to find it out. Okay, so okay, so I'm going to use this now. Use exploit multi handler, then set payload php interpreter reverse tcp and set to show options. Okay, set lhost 2.68.0.007, I believe in my case. So set port. This was already using by default, and yeah, I got it. Exploit. So let's call it 68.0.005 and ha ha ha. So let's see if we got anything or not. So I'm gonna search it, and we got a meta registration on it. So as we as expected, we got the meta registration on it, and now we can use the help. So simple. So Linux, and here you go. So ls, and there's some. Oops, sorry. ls. Okay. So where we are right now, so we can use the pwd. So pwd, we can use this for our mode, and here we go. Let's see where I can use. So city, good. I think so. We can go for the home as well. Right now, so city, home, and we're in. And here we go, robot. Oh, okay, so let's see what's robot. So it's not a robot. Okay, so these are ID, right? Okay, who am I? We need a shell, I think. Shell. Robot. Okay, so robot. No, it's not Hawking. So, okay, cd robot. Okay, we need to run the term. Okay, we got it. We got it here. So now, yeah, we got the key2 of 3.text. So let's say cat key2 of 3.text and permission denied. Can we use the cat password dot raw md5? It's md5 as we got it. So I think it's the robot is the username, and this is going to be a password, I believe. So usually it happened to all of this. So you can go for the online users here. What you can use, Md5 Hash Tracker online. So let's see what we can find out here. Crack station. Yeah, it's a great one. I think we can find it out here. So I'm gonna go for them, not a robot. So I recommend you to use this, because a lot of users are used to crack their passwords. Okay, so it's a simple alphabet, English alphabet. So I'm gonna copy it, and let's see what I can use here, right? So use ls. Okay, so I need a I need a robot as robot mode. Okay, I need a terminal. We need a terminal. So what we can use is Python maybe. Yeah, Python. C and sorry, my bad. Import pty and pty dot spawn and pretty much the shell. Okay, so we need the shell. So bin sh and I think that's it. We got the shell here. Yeah, right. With the shell here and needs to robot and we need the password and let's see who am I. Should be robot. Yeah, we are here robot and we are using so our ID which is robot, so we are getting inside the access of the robot account. So now we can use read key 2 of 3 dot text. What? Oh, sorry, my bad. So can't key 2 of 3 dot text. Here we go. We got the second flag. So it's a thing that we got the second flag, and I'm going to make it here the second key. It's not working all the codes and the shortcuts are not working in the Linux terminal. Sorry, in the case of Linux. So we'll save it. We got the 2 flags out of 3, so we need the last one. So let's guess where we can find it out here. Okay, we got the robot, right? Okay, robot. So we can use cd this for root. So what we get here is cd root. This is permission denied. So let's say it's sorry, I just robot. So what we can use is called, I think it's we need a root is a user, I think. So this is root, okay. And the password we didn't know, we don't have anything as passwords. Okay, we can use something like maybe the second flag is password hash itself. Who knows? Let's check it out. Sorry, let's check it out. So crack the password hash. So it's not a hash, so there's no chance of it. So I'm gonna save it and I'm going to delete it from here. So what we can use is can I use locate find. Yeah, find is working pretty well, so you can use the find command here. So I'm gonna terminate channel 0. No, not at all. So ls, where am I now? Do you need to exceed or something? Yep, sorry. Yes. Find, I think nmap. Let me see nmap here. Oh, sorry. Use the shell again. Oops. So we were there, but what is it? I don't know why we are not getting all things here for it. So I can make this exceed. So I'm going to exploit again, or you can use also something called seasons. There is no active seasons. Okay, so it exploit it again, and monster 5, this is Lala. Thank you, got it here. So let's make it city. So we need to go for root, right? So shell and Python C and board pty and pty dot spawn and the bash. Okay, so bean face and into the third bracket, and it should, yeah, we got it again. Okay, so we need to root, and the password is something like this. Okay, authentication failed. So use find in map. So can I use in map? Okay, we are not going to get any in map. So can use so robot, and the password you get previously. I'm gonna take it. I think I'm gonna paste it here, and got it. Okay, so if we use so, okay, so find nmap. Okay, so can I use just simply nmap? Oops, where we now? So can I use city root permission denied? So root not working. Is found here. Yeah, we got it. So got an nmap here. So we can use the internet mode. Okay, so we can use the nmap interactive mode. Interactive mode. Okay, so got an interactive mode, and press S for better things. So we're gonna use a shell here. No. Yeah, we got that shell here, and can I use the root now? We're inside root, and we got it. So we got the cat key 3 of 3.text, and here we go. We got the last one, the third key, and I'm gonna paste it here. Here we go. We got the first all of the 3 flags. So let's see if we got anything. So first boot done, or first boot done, nothing. So I don't think so anything is here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is a CTF real life challenge of a machine to pound the machine. So we got 3 flags out of 3. So it's a great thing. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos, but I think the video is getting a lot of time, kills a lot of time. So I don't think so. You guys, okay? I think you guys enjoyed this video, whatever. So uh, if you like this video, please keep supporting us, Quantum Fort, and I'm sure of from Quantum Fort, and see you in the upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye.